To fix Java exception has occurred, that's what you need to do here. First of all, open a browser, then you just need to write java download and go to java.com. If sometimes java.com do not opens, then go to oracle.com and look for Java downloads. Then what you need to do here is to select latest version, is JDK, in my case now is GDK 24. Select operating system and then select x64 installer, right? And then save it to your computer. Then we need to wait until download is finished. Then just open up setup and then finish the setup and install Java to your computer. Wait for a couple of seconds until installation process is done. It usually takes around from 20 to 30 seconds here, as you can see here. And after that, just close it, launch the app that you get the error, and issue should be solved. That's pretty much it.